Every birthday cake begins its journey long before the celebration. It starts with nature, technology, and precision, working together with Crest, with Clast, and Clast. The story of birthday cake begins in vast wheat fields, where golden grains grow under natural sunlight. These wheat grains are carefully harvested and transported to a modern food factory. Inside the facility, the wheat is unloaded into large stainless steel silos. Advanced cleaning machines remove dust, stones, and impurities. Only the purest wheat grains are selected for birthday cake production. The cleaned wheat moves into powerful industrial grinders. Here, solid grains are transformed into fine white flour. This flour becomes the essential foundation of every birthday cake. Quality sensors constantly monitor texture and consistency. The flour is stored in hygienic, sealed systems, ready for the next stage. The flour is transferred into large automated mixing machines. Precise amounts of sugar are added to balance sweetness. Fresh eggs are introduced to enrich the birthday cake batter. Liquid fats such as butter or oil are blended smoothly. Leavening agents ensure the cake will rise evenly. Flavorings are added to create a pleasant aroma and taste. Modern machines measure every ingredient with scientific accuracy. The mixers rotate steadily, creating a smooth, uniform batter. Sensors continuously check moisture and density. The result is a perfectly consistent birthday cake batter, ready for baking.
The flow rate looks
The
good on
finished
the gauge
batter
here.
is poured evenly
holding
into
steady.
standardized molds.
We are cleared for the next
These
batch.
molds travel along automated conveyor belts. They enter large industrial ovens designed for precise baking. Temperature and time are carefully controlled at every moment. Inside the ovens, the birthday cake batter slowly rises. The surface turns golden, while the inside remains soft and light. Long baking tunnels ensure even heat distribution. Steam escapes as the cakes reach optimal doneness.
It looks amazing,
Each birthday
doesn't it?
cake base emerges perfectly shaped. Quality scanners verify
the team is
structure,
gonna love
color,
it.
and consistency. Freshly baked birthday cakes move into rapid cooling tunnels. Cold air circulates evenly to stabilize the cake structure. This step prepares the cakes for decoration. Robotic systems apply smooth layers of cream with precision. Multiple layers are assembled to build the birthday cake shape. Decorating nozzles create clean, uniform patterns. Skilled workers add final visual details when needed. Every birthday cake is designed to look appealing and consistent. The decoration process combines automation with human expertise. Each finished cake is visually inspected before packaging. Decorated birthday cakes enter the automated packaging line. Each cake is placed into a protective box. The boxes are sealed to preserve freshness and hygiene. Labels, barcodes, and expiration dates are applied. Only approved products continue to the next stage. Birthday cake boxes are stacked neatly onto pallets. Robotic arms palletize the products with precision. The pallets are tightly wrapped with protective film. Finished pallets move into a clean, organized warehouse. Every birthday cake is tracked through a digital logistics system. Forklifts load birthday cake pallets onto delivery trucks. The trucks leave the factory heading toward supermarkets. Careful transportation ensures product safety and quality. At the destination, birthday cake pallets are unloaded. Products are moved into retail storage areas. Birthday cakes are arranged neatly on store shelves. Bright lighting highlights the clean packaging. Consumers now see the final result of a complex process. From raw wheat to a finished birthday cake, every step matters. This is how modern technology brings birthday cake to every celebration. Behind every birthday cake is a story of precision, hygiene, and innovation. A journey from nature to factory, from factory to family.
That's perfect. The consistency and flavor are just right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend.
Structural integrity of the birthday cake confirmed.
Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you.
It is absolutely stunning. It is even more beautiful than I imagined.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend.
Here is the birthday cake delivery. Thank you so much.
Look at the detail on this. It even says happy birthday right there.
It's perfect. He's gonna love it.
To the best birthday cake ever.
Cheers to the team.